Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background and to also separate colors in an image. We're starting off with this image that I got off Google. It is a clip art image of a rocket. We're going to start off by right clicking. You're going to go down to Trace Bitmap, and this is going to be almost your best friend in Inkscape. To remove the background and to also separate all these colors, you're going to want to go into multiple scans. From there, there's a drop-down menu and almost default brightness steps is selected. We're going to click this, and we're going to go down to colors. Now, also, whenever you're doing anything with Trace Bitmap, especially colors, you kind of want to keep it low, especially if you're going to be making anything out of the image that you're manipulating, whether it's digital files or physical files that you're going to turn into, heat transfer vinyl and so forth. So whenever I start with an image, if it's got less than 10 colors, I like to start at 2 or 3. 2 is the minimum. I'm going to start at 3. I'm going to hit remove background, and since I just want these colors separated from another, I'm not going to select stack. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hit update. And as you can see, not all the colors are in the viewfinder. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to 4, and I'm just going to keep going up the scans until every single color is there. Now, as you can see, every color is shown. And we are at 8 right now. I like to go up once more and see if anything changes. Nothing changed, and you want the lowest number. So I'm going to hit update, keep it there, and then you're going to hit OK. And the selection tool right here around your rocket should get a little smaller because the background is removed. Don't worry about anything, just hit OK. As you can see, it got a little smaller right here. We're going to hit exit, or the close sign. You're going to click and drag, and this right here is your newest image. And this image has your color layers all separated as well as no background. So this is our image that is not separated, just a plain clip art. I'm going to go ahead, right click, and delete. Now to get these colors all separated, you're going to right click, and you're going to go down to ungroup. And as you can see, we have 8 different selections for the 8 different colors that the program picked up. I'm going to unclick, and from here you can kind of, manipulate the colors. Or you could even get rid of some of the colors and make them into outlines. I hope this helps.